Hey, post-commute, I got you. Let's have a bolster handy. Meet me on your back. And feet flat, knees bent. Let's start with some windshield wipers here, side to side. Loosen up that lower back. We'll take this for several rounds. Take them slow. Get the full range all the way over your glutes. Really milk these. Couple more here. Check in with your breath. And pull your knees into your chest. Wrap up for a little hug. A little tighter squeeze. And add a little rock. First, side to side. Just massaging that mid-back, lower back. Now, switch the direction. Let's go back and forth. Take a few rocks. Working your way up to a seat. All the way up. Extend your legs out long. Shake them out. Now widen your legs. And take a forward fold, walking your hands out between your feet. Lower down to your forearms if you can. Drop your shoulders. Drop your head. Soften your neck. And let the weight of your head just hang. Getting some mindful stretching of the back side body, your shoulders. Take one more deep breath. And slowly coming back up. And cross your legs. Let's get some twisting in here. Inhale, arms reach high. Exhale, twist to the left. Bring your right hand to your left knee. Find some length here. And gentle shifting the gaze back. Take a breath. Each exhale, little deeper twist. Take one more like that. On your next inhale, reach back up, back to center. Exhale, twist right, left hand to right knee. Find some length. Work the twist, gaze over your back shoulder. Take a breath. Work the twist. Next inhale, arms reach back up. Exhale, hands to your knees. Let's take some seated cat-cow from here. Inhale, cow, arch your back. Exhale, cat, round your spine. Inhale, cow, open up. Exhale, cat, round back. Take a few more on your own. Getting the full breath in and the full breath out. Option to add some free movement with your spine or neck. Last full breath in. And exhale to a neutral spine. Whichever way your legs are crossed, let's cross them the other way. Some rewiring. Settle in. Take a breath. Let's take a few more rounds of that cat-cow. Inhale to cow. Exhale to cat. Take a few more on your own. Again, adding any movement that your body is calling for. Just remember to breathe. Take one more breath. Settling in. Neutral spine. Uncross your legs. Let's take another round of windshield wipers here. Knee side to side. Couple times, back, forth. And meet me on your back. Setting up for a seated figure 4. Cross that left ankle over your right knee. Reach for your right hamstring. Left arm can reach through your leg. Stay flexed through that left foot. And gently pull your hamstring closer towards your chest until you feel that stretch. IT band, left side, glutes. Breathe. Using your left elbow to prop open that left thigh. Again, stay flexed through that left foot. For some more leverage, you can reach for your shin. Just an option. For some more depth, breathe. Try your best to soften. Take 2 more breaths. And slowly reground that right knee. Cross your left leg over your right. Finish that cross. And we'll take some windshield wipers from here, side to side, with your legs crossed. Again, take these gently. Take them slowly. One more on each side. Next time you're on the left side, keep them there. And right hand to your right thigh. Breathe and settle into this twist. We're here for a few. Getting a good stretch in that IT band as well. Option to extend that right arm out long. You could shift your gaze out to the right if that feels nice. Take 2 more breaths. And slowly coming out of the twist. Uncross your legs and we'll take the other side. Cross that left ankle over your right knee first. Or scratch that. Right ankle over left knee. There we go. Reach for your hamstring. That right arm reaches through. Flex the right foot. And pull that hamstring closer toward you. Until you feel that resistance there. Right side, IT, glute. Right elbow props open that right thigh. Settle into your breath for extra leverage, extra depth here. Go for the shin. Breathe into it. Couple more here. And last full breath. And release your mind and cross your right leg over the left. Take those twisted windshield wipers side to side a few rounds. And one more on each side. And next time they roll to the right, keep them there for that stretch. Right hand to your left hip or thigh. Option to extend that left arm out, shift your gaze out left. Deep, full breath. Couple more. And when you're ready, slowly coming out of that twist, uncross your legs. Pull your knees into your chest for a tight squeeze here. Little tighter, flex your feet, forehead up to knees. And release. We'll set up for a starfish. Reach for your bolster. Set up your bolster right at the base of your spine. And lower yourself down. And you can take a Supta Baddha, feet to touch, knees out wide. Or you could just go full starfish with your legs out long, arms out long. A few options here. You could do a hybrid, a starfish upper body and that Supta Baddha lower. That feels good. I'll leave you in this one. You can stay for 5, even 10 minutes. And thank you for joining. Share that love. I'll catch you on the next one. Namaste.